We have groundbreaking news for Uber and Lyft drivers. $1,000 checks coming to your doorstep. Let's go. What's up, everyone? How's it going? And welcome back to the greatest rideshare YouTube channel in the world, the Rideshare Hub, okay? We have an awesome video for you guys today. Millions of Uber, well, I don't know about millions, but a lot of Uber and Lyft drivers are gonna be receiving, quote, inflation relief checks up to $1,050 bucks. We're gonna get into the details. First, I wanna thank our sponsor, Play Octopus. I have it right here. I'm gonna get it for you guys. I know I'm in my pajamas, don't judge me, okay? Play Octopus, they just got bought out by T-Mobile and they're paying Uber and Lyft drivers so much money to put this in the back of your headrest. They have a special right now. When you use my link, you get a free tablet. You start earning cash just for putting it in the back of your headrest, which is crazy. Customers don't even need to play games, but you get extra money when they do. And the link below, sign up for Play Octopus. They're incredible. I love them. They throw parties for drivers too. Like they do cash giveaways for drivers. Anyways, they're awesome. I love Play Octopus. Check it out down below if you need money. And now let's get started. So millions of Californians can now get, quote, inflation relief checks up to $1,050 bucks, Uber and Lyft drivers included, and gig workers. California Governor Gavin Newsom just signed a $308 billion state budget Thursday that includes offering, quote, inflation relief checks to millions of Californians up to $1,050 bucks. Here's how you can get yours. So firstly, let's just look up Uber and Lyft drivers in California. How many are there? There is, how many Uber and Lyft drivers are in California? Maybe a million? 140,000 according to fee.org. Uber has 140,000 and Lyft has 220,000. 140,000 and then 80,000 for Lyft. So 200,000 Uber and Lyft drivers in California according to this fee.org. So you guys will be eligible for this, so as long as you, let's see, the tax, so it's gonna come in the form of a tax refund. Governor Gavin Newsom said this budget invests in our core values at a pivotal moment, safeguarding women's rights to choose, expanding healthcare access to all, and supporting the most vulnerable among us while shoring up our future with funds to combat the climate crisis, bolster our energy aid, blah, 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 blah. Where's the money, Gavin? Show us the money. Building a better future for all will continue to model what progressive and responsible governance can look like. The California. I thought people hated Governor Gavin Newsom. Here's the details. It's coming in the form of a tax refund, so I don't think you really need to do anything. But listen to this. The tax refund will be based on the earnings of California residents on their 2020 tax return filed by the October 15th, 2021 deadline. So it's actually not from this past year, but the year prior. That's very interesting. So they already have your taxes on file from 2020. So 2021, they're still waiting on people. So I'm sure they want to get it out fast and quickly. So couples who file jointly make less than $150,000 a year and have at least one dependent will receive the maximum rebate of $1,050. So it comes in the form of a rebate or a tax credit, I believe. So that doesn't mean it's a deduction. It actually means you will get cash that you don't ever need to pay back or anything. Couples who file jointly and make less than $150,000 a year without a dependent will receive $700 bucks total. What about individuals? I'm a single man. Individuals who make up to $250,000 a year without a dependent and a couple without dependents who make $500,000 a year will receive a rebate of $200 bucks. People who make more than thresholds will not receive a tax refund. So fortunately, if you make over $500,000 a year, you won't receive, to be honest, if you make $500,000 a year, you probably don't need 200 bucks. Let's be real here. But yeah, the new budget was passed by state legislators on Wednesday and it will go into effect Friday. Very cool. So there you have it, my friends. If you're an Uber and Lyft driver, thanks to Governor Gavin Newsom. Sorry, this is only in California, by the way. Hopefully it'll come to other states too, especially with gas prices being so dang high. And again, Biden is still trying to get that gas rebate card passed. So let me know if you want that or not. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Check out Play Octopus if you'd like to start earning money today. You can get sign up in minutes using my link below. Get a little tablet. It's all free. You don't need to pay for anything. It's really nice. You get extra tips because pastors love the games. You get better ratings, and Play Octopus pays you just to put it on your headrest. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye now.